Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your IIFL Mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your IIFL Mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in iifl.com and make a search. The official page of IIFL Mortgage account will appear on the screen. Click on an human icon at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down, click on Sign In option. You will end up on the login page of your IIFL Mortgage account. Enter your email address or phone number and password associated with your IIFL Mortgage account and tap on Login. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. This is how you can log into your IIFL Mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.